Wala na kami budget! Hey guys, it's SHOPEE and welcome back to my channel if you're new here seeing this face. Hi, I am Cha and I'm an 18-year-old Filipina aspiring YouTuber, and today I am going to do a back to school haul. This is actually part 2 of the back to school haul kasi galing to sa Shopee. If you haven't watched the first part of the haul, click right here. Bago ko makalimutan, nga pala, shoutout daw kay Jared Hilario. Hi Jared, if you're watching this. And sabi niya, gawa daw ako ng parang segment na nasi-shoutout ng mga people. So, if gusto niyo ma-shoutout sa mga future videos ko, comment down below. Comment back to school down below. And yeah, without further ado, let's just hop into the video. So, as you can see guys, ito yung mga Shopee packages na dumating sa akin. And itong isa, hindi to akin, but kay Charm. So, pinadala lang niya sa akin kasi nasa Baguio siya ngayon. So, the first thing that I got is actually, hindi to actually galing sa Shopee. Galing to sa SM. And ito yung parang mga memo pad na parang katulad ata to sa Fully Book or sa Fully Book nag-originate to. So, ngayon, open na natin tong package ni Charmaine. Dahil ito ay kanya at sabi niya isama ka daw to sa vlog, and pareho lang kami ng pinagkunan ata ng shop. Ayan, binuksan ko na rin kasi isipera ko. Ang pinakamalaki niyang nakuha is itong making memory. Ano ba to? Parang clipboard na color pink. And may nakuha din siyang ganito. May ganito din ako, pero color blue. Next naman is this, ano ba to? Parang mga washi tape. Meron siyang washi tape na maliliit. Nasa isa siyang bundle, tatlo. Autumn leaves yung, yung isang design. Tapos, yung isa naman, meron siyang mga sakura flowers. So, di ba? Lakas maka-Japan-Japan. Meron pang isa pa. Color pink naman yung mga leaves niya. Next thing that she got is actually parang mga memo pad or mga sticky notes. Meron siya nakuhang ganitong detailed list na color yellow. Tapos may nakuha din siyang ganito na parang guest book na ganyan. May ganito rin ako pero color violet ata. And then she also got this watercolor geometry na sticky notes. And then, she also got this na parang mga pig. Yeah, mga pig na paper clips. So, hindi ko alam kung saang shop niya nakuha to, pero I will link everything down below. Got this Moi Moi sticker version 2. Ayan, mga cute na stickers. And now, let's move on to my package. Yung package ko, naka parang ganito. Hindi ko alam bakit din. So, thank you kay supplier. Ay, unahin muna natin tong parang pencil case. Zipper lang siya. Tapos, wala, zipper lang na ganyan. Cute lang. Oh, diba? Tapos, ganyan. Ayan, sobrang laki ng laman niya sa loob. Pareho kami. Pero she got the color yellow and I got the color blue. Hindi namin to pinaghandaan. Nagulat na lang din ako na may ganito din siya. So, the next thing that I got is actually parang mga card holders siya. Dalawa yung meow ko. Tapos, isang black and isang white. So, I got meow. Dalawang meow. Tapos, isang cat. This olive red. Nakatakip kasi yung sticker eh. And then, I also got this parang whiskers ng cat. Kumuha din ako ng mga sticky notes. I got 2 ng mga sticky notes na parang marble siya. Isang parang white marble and then isang parang gray marble. Then I also got watercolored na mga sticky notes. Isang square and isang hexagon. Yeah. I also got this red series na mga na parang flower. And then color purple lang siya. And then I also got parang monotone na guest book thing. Ayan, sticky notes siya. And meron siyang color na parang dark green, purple, ganyan. The last things that I got are actually stickers and mga washi tapes. So, let's start from the washi tape. So, I got 3 washi tapes. And yung mga washi tapes na to is actually pastel. So, I got blue. And then, I also got light blue. Parang may tawag dito na blue. Hindi ko lang alam kung ano. Parang powder blue ata yung name neto. And then I also got a light purple or parang lilac color siya. So the last thing that I got is actually mga stickers pang stationaries. Kasi I've been liking stationaries a lot lately. And yeah, pero nangihinayang gamitin yung mga sticker, but still, sobrang mura lang naman nila. So I got this parang mga cacti, mga chum-chum, parang chum-chum ones, yung mga parang streets sa Japan and mga buildings ng Japan na stationaries. Kasi parang mga building siya na stationaries. I'm also planning to get yung moon kasi I really like the moon. Lalo yung half moon. Ayun, ang ganda lang niya tingnan. Diba dati suot ako palagi nung parang moon na necklace. Pero, ayun, sobrang ganda nun. Naghahanap ako actually ng maliit nun. So, if alam niyo kung saan makakabili ng maliit na necklace ng moon, basta moon design, yung crescent lang, half moon, ganyan. Comment down below, please, kasi naghahanap ako. That's everything that we got, and I'm so sorry kung sobrang konti lang kasi wala na kami budget. And that's it, guys, and I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of me, and hit that notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video. And yeah, comment down below kung gusto niyo ma-shoutout sa comment down below if you comment down below if gusto niyo ma-shoutout sa next video, and I will see you guys later. And always remember to love yourself and make your day be as flawless as your makeup. Bye!